Thank you for visiting the Refinery Skin Clinic. We're really looking forward to meeting you. Your visit will start by checking in with our friendly front desk staff. They're going to verify your information and ensure all of your paperwork is properly completed. Once you're checked in, they'll take you back to our relaxation room. We have created an environment where you can help yourself to a variety of beverages and snacks and just disconnect from the outside world. After giving you a few moments to relax, your provider will introduce themselves and take you back to the treatment room. Here, they'll create your customized treatment plan. Some of our most common treatments are Botox, cool sculpting, and dermal fillers. Dermal filler is a really common procedure for a lot of patients. Not really understanding maybe what dermal filler is, they don't necessarily know what to ask for. Some of the things that we talk about with dermal filler are any lines, wrinkles, or creases that you might see from the eyes and down. So if you're bothered by eyes and up here, tune into the Botox. If you want to talk about lines from the eyes and down, that's going to be a dermal filler fix. Many of the misconceptions about dermal filler are that they make our faces look fuller, because we do use the word filler. However, dermal filler is really just going to make you look more lifted and more contoured. That's really what we're trying to do. So by adding some replacement volume, usually we start in the mid-face, across the top of the cheek, and we're going to put the structure back in. We're going to give you the same contour that you would use when you're putting makeup on. We're just going to give you that kind of a look, so you're not going to need to wear makeup, but you're always going to look contoured. Another really common misconception is that you're going to have kind of a fatter face, but that's, again, not the case. Most of our patients actually look a lot thinner after doing their dermal filler. Why? Because the fullest part of your face should actually go from the ear to the ear. And as we start to age and we lose support in that mid-face, we start to see the fullest part of our face be down here. And so by restoring that contour across the top, giving some lift, maybe pulling a little length in the chin, you're gonna really see a thinner, more lifted kind of an appearance. Don't worry, dermal fillers are not gonna make you look like a different person. I know, we've all seen it. We've seen the really bad celebrities, or we've seen that weird looking person walking through the grocery store. That's not going to be you. You have my promise, you have my guarantee on that. I want you to look just like the very best and freshest version of yourself. I want you to have a makeup-free look, that you don't have to worry about a bunch of filters, and you don't have to edit your photos when you're done. I want those candid snapshots to be your best shots. Dermal filler is not a lot of product. When you come in and do your consultation, we may have conversations where we're talking about needing 3 or 4, 5 syringes of dermal filler. That's not uncommon. We may use a couple different types of filler depending on the area of the face that we are restructuring. So 5 syringes of filler doesn't necessarily mean 5 syringes in your cheek. It may be a little bit in your cheek and a little in the under eye and a little in the chin. But each syringe is about the size of a blueberry. If I were to squirt that out on the back of my hand, it'd be about 5 blueberries worth of product that I can put all over your face to just make you look lifted and rejuvenized. Our goal at the Refinery Skin Clinic is to always make sure that you have the best treatment outcome possible. We tailor our filler packages to just be that, packages. You can do a $2,400 package, a $3,200 package, or a $4,800 package. All of that is just going to depend on what kind of an outcome and what kind of a result that you're looking for. Treatments are great. You can do them all at once. Some people get really excited and they just say, do it all. Let's make it all happen. But if you're somebody who maybe wants to just ease into this, that's totally fine too. And we can tailor your treatment to that. What we'll do is just focus on an area. Maybe we start with the mid-face and the under eye, and then we move down into the chin, and then we kind of pop in your nasolabial fold or your lips. But honestly, it's always set at your pace, and it's always going to keep you looking your very, very best.